The 1980s were a distinctive era in automotive history, characterized by bold designs and a sense of adventure that permeated car culture. Now, DAMD, a renowned Japanese tuning and customization company, has captured the spirit of that decade with its latest project, the Daihatsu Taft. This unique creation blends retro aesthetics with modern capabilities, offering a nostalgic yet functional vehicle that stands out in today's market. The Daihatsu Taft, originally known for its rugged utility and compact size, has been given a vibrant makeover by DAMD. The new design channels the essence of 1980s SUVs, featuring angular lines, bold color schemes, and distinctive details that hark back to the golden age of automotive design. The exterior is adorned with retro-inspired graphics and a classic two-tone paint job, instantly transporting you to an era of cassette tapes and arcade games. One of the most eye-catching elements is the front grille, which has been redesigned to evoke the robust and straightforward aesthetics of 1980s off-roaders. The headlights, too, have been updated with round LED units that maintain the vintage vibe while providing modern illumination efficiency. The overall effect is a charming blend of old and new, making the Taft a head-turner on any street. Beneath its nostalgic exterior, the DAMD Daihatsu Taft is equipped with modern mechanicals that ensure it performs just as well as it looks. The vehicle is powered by a small yet efficient engine that balances power and fuel economy, making it suitable for both city driving and weekend adventures. The suspension has been tuned to provide a comfortable ride, without sacrificing the Taft's original off-road capabilities. While the exterior captures the 1980s aesthetic, the driving experience is firmly rooted in the 21st century. The Taft features a responsive steering system and a lightweight body, contributing to agile handling and a surprisingly spirited drive. Whether navigating urban jungles or exploring off-the-beaten-path trails, the Taft delivers a versatile performance that meets the demands of modern drivers. Step inside the DAMD Daihatsu Taft, and you'll find an interior that cleverly combines retro design cues with contemporary amenities. The dashboard and seats are upholstered in materials that reflect the 1980s theme, complete with bold colors and geometric patterns. Despite the vintage look, the cabin is equipped with the latest technology to ensure a comfortable and connected driving experience. The infotainment system includes a touchscreen display with smartphone integration, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music and navigation apps on the go. Modern conveniences such as air conditioning, power windows, and advanced safety features ensure that the Taft is as practical as it is stylish. This fusion of old-school charm and modern functionality makes the Taft an appealing choice for those who appreciate both nostalgia and convenience. DAMD's latest project is more than just a customized vehicle. It's a tribute to an iconic era in automotive history. The Daihatsu Taft, with its 1980s-inspired design and contemporary performance, serves as a reminder of the enduring appeal of classic SUVs. It's a vehicle that not only stands out on the road but also sparks conversations and evokes memories of a bygone era. This retro revival by DAMD is a testament to the timeless nature of good design. By blending the past with the present, they have created a vehicle that appeals to a broad range of enthusiasts. Whether you're a fan of vintage cars, a lover of modern conveniences, or simply someone looking for a unique and stylish ride, the DAMD Daihatsu Taft offers something special. The DAMD Daihatsu Taft is a perfect example of how the past can inspire the present. With its 1980s-inspired design, modern performance, and practical features, it offers a unique driving experience that bridges the gap between nostalgia and innovation. This remarkable vehicle invites you to channel the spirit of the 1980s, while enjoying all the comforts and capabilities of today's technology. In a world where automotive design often looks to the future, the Taft stands out by celebrating the past, making every drive a journey through time.